Haring Ursula, Fáilte Hugh Na Seansálaithe, BEO! Ní féidir lom Sean Cadidir napó Caldig when rud Jera Kierna at Jerem Ahan la Eagrán because to actually a score dingianish, which is size of la actual look. Mar is sorry, it's Mr Hugh McGillicara, Jas Budiliv, hello. It's Mr Hugh McGillicara and I am not an alcoholic. Tama and Shaw la much Kolakia la mohuch carja or deucebar Tama and Shaw la annuir. Áine, Aberdamanish, could you remember that too?
Well, my need hurt for Jared. Shot and Cade phodchraoladh doing a hafid le
Stop! Yeah, oh yeah.
Sean da chuig Eagrán Rio doing a hafid. Sean Cade or doing a bheith shomer le
In actual shomer le
So it's speisialta.
Yeah.
Yeah, no joke. Electric picnic.
I know. I guess much like Chéile, agus echo courage, agus echo buzzing, just good vibes. I can't fui good vibes. The man Shaw Foster, he shouldn't need fair. The grad's like an horn dog, but no, the Shaw get the book needs fair. The man Shaw Foster, James of Fáilte. James, Jimmer that too.
Yeah, come on, no, yeah. Niemand na raw nach alcoholic man, yeah. But yeah, the man Shaw goal, good vibes, like electric picnic. So, bra sauce and Shaw BEO, lem chos can hear dude. It's in the Eagrán BEO. She nog een cushion, because come and shaft the mag, because you know like.
Cute, that's a raw cute time. I didn't fall or hin tree. Ah, that was a cool jazz. Jazz. Yeah, Sean Cat. So the Cara Eagrán gentleman, the Majinish actually a score Chéile, agus ignored le Chéile, and why that shot like and very like if a Majinga or Zoom, because then you hit that much echo, you know, you get the phone or big Lord led like you know could be thing you get Eve.
They grabbing a lice labby and tapping show.
Yeah.
In my pajamas, so the shot on different, but it's fine, mate. Yes.
Bjorn Glacius was the show.
Yeah.
Like the James, I think it'd be Tagesha on top of the show. The James Iggers Inta Moy.
Yeah.
And like beautiful Mother Jarter, so beautiful Mother Jarter, so all.
I don't disagree on this show. Like, this the show like aim derms. The ship bang version. Like don't worry. Like the just a normal. Like I think. So.
I know. There was Grosh like Cahu like a good JD stature. He was like,
yeah.
I'm in the good gear tonight.
Well, like Tom Rowe at show like. Tom Rowe like electric picnics. So come out, you know, great stuff in them raw.
Agus the Virginia Genu era to a wingman in Shaw for year. I mean, you'll actually be nice fair to cheer if we let her like wingman or Yanu now like electric picnic.
Yeah, Tom Rowe singular show. I need a fairness. So.
They shouldn't fear like Ainach.
Well, after basically bugging his moon jaw like so.
Betty spoke out, Betty spoke out.
Yeah.
Well, it's fair to that niche because performers responds up in Nish Foster, so Higgling Vay like, oh, well, it's like a girl Misha or statue nice look. Although to Virginia is these performers campsite, and I think we should like anything is the hinch like we just thingy random I got a heart. Agus Misha Barry be like, oh, Kate Tussin, like Kate, what this is Glockalash. Agus we should like, I don't know who you are.
Yeah.
She'll go to súil gemek like Megan Thee Stallion and she said la her campal.
He was your hope on Megan Thee Stallion for some campsite. Like. Fact.
Fan second, Thomas the football Gaelic, so Megan and Happel let the hall.
Oh, brother, yeah.
A guy with a cur Arhi.
He was a súil of a mark of that Megan national.
Stat. Oh my god. Well, Shannon Fibers is like the dingy at just cool enough leve it's a road performers but not cool enough leve jet all law na like Austin and Shaw na private jet the image cost like Taylor Swift Neil private jet
need an argading
Neil and argading
yeah during camp on he was on like glam on that
need argading
like tip jar got a big old heart in it she Jerry and Claire Shaw
yeah
please cos live our Afrin
oh yeah
much gonna kiss on her heart and show in it
well it's sired me
so go fund me points face on though
it's version need like be credit on DD shock is sired
no it's sired me no and Tahar Hugh McGillicara a Universal Church of Life she don't go on we shall like formerly mock like her and because we might basically we shall like to my Gary kosher veogum a rehin jean glossal. But you're obviously Caddigan because you know you can't touch Nianu. Be Caddigan banish of good. So I was like, well, must Rudiger sire to Misha, then it's fair to them ain't kosher Kayuig ain't am. So
but that dinner biggie banish shotgun and show, you know, Higlo chat like in Puball Gaelgas.
Yes, yeah. Jen McIngasta, this done. Boom.
Yeah.
Tish pasta.
Happy.
Yeah, Vegas na hearing.
Vegas na hearing. Oh my god, so
yeah.
Well, tá seo é ní hé seo ar gad féile as in
No.
bhí muid ag féilte eile, bhí muid ag féil na galí níos luithe sa bhíon agus speisialta ag genú gigs an seo ach an bhfuil annéirthaí sibh gur sáineálaí féiltí sibh, le annéirthaí sibh go bhfuil a go cad gur cheartta dhéanús cad nar cheartta dhéanú. Like
Sin-
festival faux pas no bhí mar sin.
Team go ní smó taigh James ar féilte idir náisiúnta. I mean, chuig James go Tomorrowland.
I know.
Níor mar siríú ten muid an cheer fan de féile. So
Yeah,
ní beidir ná sanolí me.
yeah. But bhí this a hard hour.
Yeah, ach níorm seach ag féile óna díomh, agus sin an ceanna smú ar down.
So níl is so good to ahawain and version is mó da féiltí ar
Yeah,
Harvey.
ní ar clú am cin mé háán le. Ní má fiche agus ní ar clú am le. Bhí me sé gon hart de like bandana Japanese am chlágan. Agus like bhí cean mó scáda bhí rucéanair and then tíléine Sínach agus bríiste geára Thailand like bhí sé completely like
Bhí the girl
international like.
Bhí
it's
me gonna
like-
rap.
Spot the Irish lad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bhí the girl cost la criú UN just to see our
Yeah,
the
just
pain.
get rid of peace to all nations like.
Free soul nation.
Sem basically vi gar in Holland like no ni clúin get in Holland like yeah so
Agus nes dat fi sé agus go fáil níl clú agus dé dhéanú.
no should mo héad féle more no offense go fail na gallery but can all
Collie Delny Curry.
but can all were éidir noch now electric picnic so should can is smooth so in so should
Yep.
can more and some ige so me héadú so yeah ní clú amske tal
An your hagur sanolí hosan is Hugh?
Jerring gur sáineálaí mé in that ní féidlumm do le hallú ag féiltí, I don't know, just mata ceáil ar siúil ein et, I'm like, caiim go inse. Ar thola sibh,
Bhí Cormac an like certain impression go to Cormac and
sorry, yes, ní álam agus ní dhéanam drogi, but caiim a bheith, like, I need to be ag ahan ile imacht, ein culture or Harvey came a bheith sin. But mata alls ag anything if we Berlin House, I don't know how anything if we Berlin House, like, it's like secret techno cave at the heart or but techno tech yes Sheelan Vision Mar Dirge Park Simpson ach ma so mata all sig ein then if we shall please instu cause just need Chamber Hollow or Harvey being yipped on life obviously or
Dat is an exact like opposite homse like homme sé ceolchorm na America agus is ma holle speaker so like being you're go autumn obviously agus just like we ma holle speaker so like fast asleep agus Hermitage Green just Blair a kill
Shin
Tá sin có más le a
Shin
Hermitage
fairly
Green.
big dig kick Hermitage Green bog
Yeah, the lads booked like.
like I didn't do it on purpose like what's that like near my Gera you know like just being you're go autumn like so
Agus
be my
bhí
Gera
Harva Ladrona Shin just another Harley
you know it just my Gera nap book of am ceolchorm like
Cain festival faux pas like kid a chiaapma tú nar carta genu like féile ceol like what's like a
Tiction with the
cardinal sin.
hollow or.
Okay, well obviously Stephen Wheat on the ruddy M.A. James ag genu Har and Jerry Seachtainí Kajé na ruddy nar carta genu ag féile ceol.
Sheelam nar ceartid like ski bheith go tríhin le, mar tá caiint maithar an get this far than la, agus
Yeah.
dunar bítar a, ó, tá mé cí funiu bheith gom, you know, as
Yeah.
go in níos fear níos journey. Tá caiint maithar an get this far, you know, by FOMO go, tá níos fear as just powering through, you know, is bet go bra.
Powering through.
Yeah.
Sheelam sa like sí mata tú fanart le duine chart like mata tú ag rinch Puball le cheile agus tagan tú rás ag de Puball agus tá níos mó na birch is tí sa Puball like you know ma tagan duine na wala le duine chart eile gan all sa bheith agad it's a bit like cin fan na rinch tú do like cin
Oh, ma
fan
tá tú reinint an pobl a din a cinse.
what's an stuck the fubble
yeah, that's so good, man. I made this. I see him go able to stock a her McKinsey. Yeah,
Yeah.
McKinsey. That blackout tent, ig James come on Ashgal. That like kin
Oh.
or yeah. So Matt, got a wall of
Saucy.
James Glock flashlight lat because he built
oh the flashlight down welcome to flashlight
Oh yeah. Oh my
yeah,
god.
flashlight's the tent so
Yeah.
we see what's going on it's the tent but
So,
Give
Beidir
them
go
all.
black at tent agad, then grow.
Yeah, I think it's not my hey, you know, because then you veis again ban gidi arkin to cost Lar Harvey. Gidi imagine dar again. There's a raw
Yeah.
wall to punch it in.
yeah exactly like
yeah.
indeed into gin like so
Indeed, gent.
like so tough look
Tá gro genta go bhain sin. Ach yeah, hánig ma agus is literally it's like do like go human do like ní hé like ein rud ekel ar Harvey. Ach a mála like a gapan tú go goja se lat Not le lin na mar like, but like le lin na chaú like.
Well, like that's in galore kunum now len them raw, but ag feel like I think Douglas at kunum you know taps in book on college was a mods and I think so.
Yeah.
Ni gon green you know molocher to chin mods and thought like bit on college accuracy do ég na kin ma hond holig at the
Yeah.
so after share like marsach and then sus reach like
Yeah.
party on.
Ac yn ceartid dyna hwyr drasig dy phobl y chyrbe an fo pa
Yes.
sin.
Sorry. Yeah, go on.
Wyl ti chat e fe le ciol le dyna a haringt no le crack of agad as dul hig yn ciol
Ma Harlan shot.
But Harley, agus ní, because the this is a gadger of a couple of
Yeah,
and ish.
you know.
Hi, Killian. Hey, remember that? This is a gadger of like a couple of and ish. So like, obviously near tag and this mod, you know, this is core to partner. I hope anyway. And then you mean this is core to ding in shock. So obviously, you know, this is core to the fire. I guess two got them but my hand is James, no single Pringles, Kai in Virginia, you know, Matt Harley and Cha. So
like ni hukun mra omsu guys anyway. So my main thing is go actually more football. Granted. Happy days. Tá blow up matches tá sé single right. Fitchin collision kom sé tal like.
Ac yn wagach sif ciolchwrm lua. Seid yma cael ei naclifr a o't megi dal rashnif as tan dynas farlat ar yn stadia.
Ma Megan Dusalian tal like Dermot Kennedy and mate. Happy days Megan Terrasham.
Megan look I slan live. Branch, do you know what actually branch are in Ballyhill? Is that wasn't all like what am I like?
Yeah, no, take him kajay taragod.
Yeah.
As kajay if we right anish ma hain tu heg ciolchwrm led the cara as níl tos a bunch tanu as an ciol a churbe had the car bunch an soltas. Will cad got foggle? Will cad just ra am out ni ma bunch soltas ra?
Would ban
Well ban the flag ban. No ni hey. I think no, I think it was a character because like man what the bunch soltas agus tan na failchi whole more. It's like tactic on call will do look at the arm shoe like a punching charts and like
yeah. A quit tu tray good the cara gan am kenna.
I think Brancha or Kane form with the car. Like
he got Brancha off of now.
Well, no. So and Tom Journey of Michigan EP vi kinda much courage. Agus vi like how much goal he could rave in the woods. I don't know what thing be really rave in the woods. Tesha like on the ravers so cool. So we are in goal go rave in the woods. Agus vi like car hugger margin. Agus vi just come lunch Krista add Neurosha even like techno might if you shall like agus neuro ein tune like a gal your Harvey agus my car just kind of like crahu like oh yes good clay like we shall fucked like we shall go home and fuck I was like near much actually consulta shot like near really near actually but we shall whole mesh if you like you know what I think just my flagum ni he shall ni become a law so just egma agus we
dog too less shane
yeah
but saying mas Birch Collington.
Oh well then.
Go whole lot different show like the higla channel. So wagon she like den of a carja low hay in a grave of the woods. Ni akok very rishi. Like she every you go you know like she'd east underground you know and hidden techno you know not logic like I'm sure.
Berlin House
like she'd east of Berlin like Lala.
Shabby should like got to arrangement of River like she shouldn't get go like to on rock mish on low knowing go base nach dang and armlum like Thomas got this who's some like Dermot Kennedy a ball some person got a queen
yes
you know
it's like that arrangement
like didn't miss fucking techno that's a motto the era like come a rave on techno then like can't do that lumps of Dermot Kennedy is calm person that queen so she then improvise calm person
shouldn't sacrifice a guy
exactly
Currently, ner at like Banachol and say like Marhample like the road to Tessigs the car like Gaffa you know Dermot or whatever. I could be like gig all worried Tarlo and I'm caring that like or charted Scarrel in a car like Dol Higgin gig Ella no yes the Jerry did go in your yes gone A and Fiber B Cali Cap and Tessa James.
And he's I think it, well more with all the birds like exactly like that group on I think just got to go the majority.
Yeah.
New just got pursues. Like how should know in Tomorrowland like the Martin Garrix people actually also want should be Tiesto August and Chainsmokers and all that. So then like had to scap sues. It's all basically what I'm beginning to say but like full saying got to kinda there's a full scare of it scores like.
Yeah.
So Quentin crack. Ni one and Rod Brown statue, you know, and the Dini to heart.
I've been cool come forward come what can I say to like so what the horse is not sure like so I feel like you just got to really cannot chat the rates of River and there's raw should not say them as God.
Sorry, Jay, call it Tarlu. What's your braid the Clehe? I will hang a ray that clear. So, ring Virginia, if you Gary Smeecher, get Jager Fridge, and Yanu, as much looks vacant, as much, a score thing or whatever. Agus, if you Gary just Yanu, running at specialta, running Yanimage, well, near running Yanimage, much hain, because Vitcha, size Ashton, and Yarnimage, Justin Birching or Churg or whatever. Yeah, but in size Ash. Akbar Yalgo will. You're all complicit basically. Get you on the Tarlo and shot. Booze like complicitly. Ní glockum less shot. Tamatron clear all word the pog no pass. Emert no shifter pass. Emert and shot. I must moil of a glocku part on. And we're while of a glocku part. So clear pog no pass.
Hey.
So I'm on PowerPoint. I think be a gay shirt. I kind much like Instagram scale you know the shot and yeah the chishbanda dingy na puck through your round image because I think your round image dingy galante.
Yeah.
Na Girk!
No, Brand the Fools. No, Brand the Fools.
Nark! Shaw Mujnish. Okay. Clea Pog the pass. The active Ainrod. Now Tá much Harva Runda and Shaw let's the chance to much Harva special. So and Ked then I think is sex symbol in Mahain. Nimagari dingy a valid I went. I can't then you.
Each to their own.
Mr Tayto. So shift. Pog. Okay. So then look fake the red pog. James, can I come with this? Pog no pasta.
100% pog like. Me all like delicious. They like flavour hoods ass when shift like.
Oh yeah, but it can't
actually,
though.
Chin point your mind.
And cheese and onion and melsa, yeah.
Fucking where back and blasting or the viola like.
Yeah. Oh, obviously cheese and onion shift.
Yeah, but carry the word to where you're all because we should salt and vinegar or like smoky barbecue.
Oh, the viola so pass my salt and vinegar.
No, as long as
smoky bacon. Okay, smoky bacon.
As
long as not ready salt is on.
Yeah,
we're all good.
Okay.
Like smoky bacon, I'm not dead on it, but yeah, cheese and onion. Yeah.
Sean Machoriksa though, right? Far and Criú and Alan Aragadiga, possibly Cherny Talun. Possibly, I mean, change your heart to.
Don't heartless in brown envelopes.
Go heart in brown envelopes. The Ergal Emihe or Stray or Five Tumble Vishas and Afric Vishas and you know.
Bit of Birdie or Hearn vibes though.
Bit Birdie or Hearn vibes.
Such Birdie or Hearn vibes.
Yeah, that will.
Uncle Arm could tuggy scale him off.
Yeah,
good man.
You know, do it in the brown envelopes.
He's a real fiend faller, like just a mohush in a
but like Bertie always, you know, the devil like, you know.
Yeah.
Together, you know, brown envelope. Happy days, Bertie. Shift us like.
It's like Fianna Fáil or Fine Tua, where it's like, you can't do, but he fixed the road. Well, your cap my grosh of a co tokel Mr Tayto because we going to what about sexy Mr Tayto?
Oh, yeah.
Pass.
Tasha going to what are you on?
Brown in the nipples.
Barker. That thing be
Bertie or steroids.
Bertie or steroids.
You know?
That thing be Napoli Appleton and screaming out to Leo, Jesus, I've gotten fierce greasy. Let's hit the showers. I think.
No. Tamisha Mar Fair O Kunmar. Tamisha Mar advocate kun dad bod.
The dad bod fair.
The dad bod.
My mum's and dad bod.
So
pass do it.
Do you know what?
You know, shouldn't no that shouldn't Tayto prawn cocktail. Shouldn't like. Too much going on there now. It's like pictures of skull on this gym.
Bill Uglart like chuckachai SOJ these lab and you'd be like, whoa, Mr. Tayto, like, oh my god. Kaima shouted at her Ian Faye and ringing Jarish and Gusfaka me on that it's to my gaffalish. Akad Daniela and Legend Hey.
Phóg. Big Phóg.
So Banda Norte, Eileen na be.
And Doyle. It's criminal bhí me ógus bhí mamra tan bhanshin crackáilte like bhí si clúiste scéaltaí growth an bhansha gcónaí like a mí like a haní he gro si dul amá leis na réaltaí like mór an Éireann agus gro si gro am an waithiki go bunny sa
and nearha gur nilfi
it's fiendy like that she crackáilte
but gur nilfi newsreader I'd like to
yeah tugan si funny mai shilam
ní milf ní gilf.
It's Miley Eva Cardula Dini Yoga, like, she told Dolamala James Cavan and Hammer.
Oh my god, gas.
Yeah.
What a legend type.
Yeah.
Card puts James
Phóg. Yeah. Just for the fact Grumman on the raw. I shift on and Doyle.
In fairness, on scale. But size go she like raw kuakta, do you know what I mean? Like better go back to like
she dominant like.
Dominant, yeah. But chance go to intimidated like less
like she went in a whips.
Beggars can't be choosers.
No whips.
Yeah. Dominatrix ceart Cinti. I've just tasked go
agus mai hí agus ná mai hí. I don't know, just sílam sa beidir seans go si raw, like, I don't know, go si raw, to si raw settled beidir
as long as go safe word dang.
So, alta. You just said pass, phóg na pass, phóg.
Yo, phóg. As long, well, phóg la safe word.
Phóg la safe word. Yeah. Could you even safe word? We'll be right back after these messages.
Hold a book.
6-1 news.
6-1. I'm sure. Greg sucking Hain. Greg O'Shea.
Commissioner Rob pass because near arc me Rochester Love Island. Right near arc Commissioner Love Island go G Yevlino hen. So near arc me are in Trashin agus do you want to just do it for me and I don't know.
Ten Greg Finnegan is fast as a bleach blonde.
So she trial and Omerka Sheelam.
Ten Greg break up again ish. You know when you go through break up because you end running at war.
Mental.
I walked him a tattoo. No, just see him go like now so carry happens to James.
100% phóg, man.
Phóg?
Yeah. Okay, boo. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Okay. Season is for ever Love Island.
Yeah.
Winner.
Yeah, fair.
Irish International.
Fair.
Host at 2FM.
Okay.
Man, come on,
before
like.
Shane gigs, you know what they're asking, like,
Yeah,
train all
come on, like, it's, phóg, 100%.
I don't know, man.
Could you chip Shara?
Crucial Love Island.
Yeah.
Crucial Love Island. Actually, I said Craic.
Tá sé raw pretty.
Tá raw pretty.
You know?
Costla sexy Mr Tayto. To get the big raw furfa.
Raw chiseled.
Raw chiseled, yeah. Need a bit of roughage. Need a bit of
Grimeiler.
Definitely not. Cat Daniela.
Oh, phóg. Big phóg.
The show is not bad.
Spral and Roz. Roz Purcell.
Oh, Roz Purcell. Sorry. Ni my Eagrán hiking gear. Shouldn't have. Ní roish ar bar crick so ní roish go céad roish.
That is a blind gan the
vaguely, I know.
Ní in the contact messaging in like was.
I know came up on Raylaw, but it's for the sunglasses. I guess.
Ross Purcell 100% phóg.
Yeah.
I think Hein vegan.
Rahing vegan.
Yeah, 100%.
Rah vegan.
Tá nothing fuel at home.
Yeah, na sin ahraid
well, ring him at me vegan, agus like it wasn't the worst in the world. Like it was a soft dacker, but like go Ross Purcell 100%.
Sean 5 thugs though.
But like what might get you fuel on the slide like.
Oh, on the slide, so like near Rahab.
Yeah, just a vegan, just a vegan at the dinner table.
Little Lishbean just in the street.
Yeah.
Gana big into the
There's because of the Pam and Gavin and Stacey. You the rashes or Tashansky like aren't they?
Roz is trying to shast the kitchen to trio hugger margin. James Bell Len Ishbini. Roz, it's not what it looks like.
They're vegan sausages.
The vegan, yeah. Linda McCartney, Gallandage. Sean 5 thugs though. Neil Misha Ackley in Ainhor. So like there are Roz again in the sunrise hikes and if Misha Cecilia be like, oh please Roz, no, let the hall.
Ishan sort dinner Instagram as Arcantry at turn to Operalam Vecosli is Veco Digger section as a Dola Mahajanu Nashulo D-Lig shows.
Yeah.
Like Natra and Ligger Foot Nachira. But weren't a mohin to Nis massive food in because need to real go to Veco Digger session.
Oh, but like it should like
what Shaq is hosa.
Stop. You learn to remember him like Ravi gun relationship and then if it's love like it was that she go to
if it's love
like what to get across the lab but she go literally to some what through she marks like but fuck she on like she took back like so come on
like I do equal go on the hikes though
Ravi go hikes I can do and then what she non roll them what the non roll look settle she's
yeah
need my girl gonna hiking you
could you to Sarah Hugh phóg no pass
like I do see, just ní misha ní bhéin sa raid on the early rises sin ar fád agus na, you know.
Branner, man.
I know, tá sí gáanta test gom sin hai, but like tá gáanta agus tá, you know, ma féin ma wunnin hain, you know, ní figure sa bheith léma más a labi a hamad.
Níl do dignity choló lumsa gyn yna misha rydw bit.
No, yeah, jelly tú ein rod. And cad, dynia ela, I'd say go be shocking Consbaja, cad capative. Whoa, hold on.
Hang on.
Phóg.
Hang on, 4 sheets and what and sé watch dún sa Eurovision.
Tá muid Jedward tá muid gan trí.
Cai mé rá agus má cara hí sa gen comai, hahan siad linar dús, nar han siad má cheanní siise single socu.
What?
Agus an ish vec si like, oh no, ní maid am a chormaid. So I just like out on Sally and show.
Oh, what?
Hahan she love agus Gerard vi crush bug or who again
too. Vi crush Arthur Jedward.
Get to bug again too.
Jed no word ken.
What need us to come K. Cuz you man again and well.
Yeah. Ta beef ogum sa la Jedward or also gum beef la Jedward. So ta
Cause I got to the show ach Jedward.
Yeah. Spool am Jedward. No, the beef ogum law because so the hunt is TikTok ig Jedward because the can but at time taru is official Jedward and Jedward TikTok.
You make her Jepic talk or something.
Sorry, come national Jepic talk, yeah. Lannan ken the wen aku mishe or TikTok. Ach ni Lannan and ken ella. But he had Michigan is just thingy here and there. But he him now so him Kane differ. So he can be like, hey John or hey Edward. He can be like the ogle arm text her.
Can't you just raw? Can't you like my Ekimish in person? Can't you just raw? Hey Jedward.
Hey Jedward.
You know her clowny she just him with DMs or one.
What?
Yeah, didn't she do grow suit like on to them?
What?
They're just like, hi girl, you've got some gorgeous eyes and X, and that was it. Oh,
I think about the information that has to be slucht as a podcast.
Sorry,
just live like electric picnic.
Yeah, I can't find our lore to be
shot. But Major Gunyan and she'd show Landini, and she looked she'd just give a jazz. Ni doilum she'd give a sort like.
But just like
a trailer and virtue quick and I'm kinda like, you know.
What an experience that would be!
Know.
Oh my god!
Claim to fame.
Yeah. Kane Thief Gats like this is John, a bit this is Edward. Be Arthur eat the kurma.
Dry me Edward.
They're all three smuggled. Carrot puts James Pog na pass.
I'd say pass.
I'd say pass and
but to fall 2 for the price of 1. Like.
Yeah, but that's just nerve-wracking.
I guess arrogant. So
I don't know.
Get that bag. Shouldn't know what the germ said.
Yeah. Get that belt.
Pog no pass.
Pass that Jedward. Far away.
I think
really got for Jedward. Shocking is happening even whole conspiracy. Kelly Cavendish. Christy Moore.
Pog.
Christy Moore. Pog. Absolutely. Oh, James. It isn't Inta Suanya, James.
I don't know.
But how can I serenading you?
Yeah.
No. Okay, so show them more road. Pass. Mayall. Brandon said zero customer her.
Oh, okay.
Shina mo a her. Tamo a her bald version. Agus like there's a really marin. Agus Christy Moore. Ni mean she doesn't have that cans. So Mike.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, but Kirk two guy vec shop or on a kind of ditch, you know.
Yeah.
They just explain them my origin. So, shin dad. So softly pass, please. Yeah.
A softly pass.
Yeah, a soft pass. You know.
So.
My dad's a good looking man, Hugh.
You might ran that well. I'd be hard swing you were. That's shouldn't have consequences though.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
Care puts on you shifter pass.
Who are in peck bug though?
Peck bug.
Like ni magi pog more her though.
Like a doy, a poga, like you know, like the Shanaher.
Vidger and Lekin. Yeah. Gira Marshin. Or the Shanaher. Yeah.
What do you call it? I know, but then how can that like request L.Ain Oran to Gary like Kane Oran or why like Christy Moore called it like that Rochelle the Megan the Stallion. So
the Christy Moore and Casa Hot Girl Summer.
Oh yeah.
Shift
from the top, make it drop.
It's a wet ass.
We don't have that word in Kildare. Kaimar pass or Fossa because Arkansas Costa Mashan uncle. Yeah,
really?
Arkansas Costa, yeah. I think there's Arkansas Costa Ahan Shan lad and airing though. It's a universal truth.
I mean, you NHA Iraq's all word and stature and
no.
August like imagine that's a lab of what's sweaty like. What's a whole sweaty man?
Oh my god.
Like, come on, like.
You're much a speech in a heartbeat.
Yeah, but like, fact, like.
Facts, absolute facts. Yeah. All facts, no printer. And Ked, Daniela, Seamus a hanger sex symbol
Pog.
I think more like a Russian glotch. Sean Marty Marcy by the Marty Party.
Should have pictures Farag Juckla Vibe shoot. He was like confusion.
Yeah. The McCreary see will be hard of a beef focus to Marty Marcy because he'll grow more like obsessed fan of my Genu Uber, but you're like ain't like logo arm or whatever. So Visha just like, oh, Neil Amagum, whatever. And then Hanik Shame like suppressed her because Visha like, I am so sorry. Ten Machin Brown Arm. Jerry's a pog gone out. Oh my god.
It's far and clare.
Yeah.
Agus tá sé náms fe Inta Jazz.
Hop Claire.
Yeah.
Agus is commentator Inta is, so my gun poker.
Yeah, if you're relaxed at a fake tan, pog. But like
Agus in the plugs.
Yeah.
Agus in the hair dye.
Yeah, but yeah, there's a lot of expressions Crow Park so this yeah, hugging pogo, yeah.
Their hands was good in All Ireland.
Did you go shade?
I just saw something like All Ireland the man fiche, I think. Yeah, fair. Maybe an omnolig adoption. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just amish consum. Yeah.
Near dinner be pog na pass. Can you?
Sorry.
Marcy.
Pass the Marty. Pass the pog. Kill Masky the Marty Morrissey pog na pass. And Ked then yeah, or Ked smash Neefew pog.
Hardcore.
What a jerk is of Earl straight in, no kissing. So in Ked group I would say because I feel like it's like a subsection done Gaelic dingy meaning genuine Amshire TG Carr just as a group all
tá siad lig glóte.
But so and TG Carr weather team pog na pass. Pog.
Yeah. Tá si ganta, tá si lig ganta.
Yeah.
Tá furin Inta Dahaloku.
Yeah. There's the but not my ugly arc come out new bitch just a shot or in Thig agus basically like agus a show mo buchara and show agus that's the girl can't wire shot like Yanni should in road lat because there's a good clarity like green screen like shouldn't ugly arms blas all though okay can't comes to James.
Oh, 100% po like especially Fiona Kim Kardashian the whale.
Kim Kardashian the whale. Should Mairead.
Okay.
He looked this character go after the vehicle.
Well, come on, Bunda. So well, it's a pog anyways like
I pog that pog.
It's coming though Darren even what question I taking in pog like.
Oh yeah, and the last fast I mean don't know how fast the rail talk the bliana
fi Ishin Rafi Darren because it's Carlo May but Agus Donica, that's a bit weird.
No,
but, you know, but his lads do it illegally. Tan fern a leg, content.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So I wonder if you found that one mother job on.
Acta rails ní smó fiú ar I'm sure TG Cahar.
Ta rails ní smó
fiú.
Agus sinné just an leor skull ar an Amshire. Pog na pass. Pog. Cape and game.
Pog.
Yeah.
Amshire gone talking you, be yogging la tulify. You have to pog.
I'm man eating because a teddy bear.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because there's a guy. It's like a guy who's far.
Ní tos an céad sinna rá riú atá.
Obviously not. Like
it's not a revelation.
But like yeah, so Katu shift on teddy bear like.
Whoa, okay.
Obviously, ring was okay. Though yeah, come on, like.
Come on, yeah.
We all practice.
The teddy bear soáine.
The attic was a thing agus vi pull sabala acu and sinna net to reach the clock to Kendoila Pogo dingy. I'm not messing. Ní Shaw Misha, by the way. I can't just say
I don't think we should clock the Pogo.
I don't think we should clock the Pogo. She made your culture rah.
I think Dean needs a shummer elevation to the.
Oh yeah, it's a drywall stand. I can't Daniela. I look here in that, but Jay Cabbage Niall Horan.
Pog.
No. So Jerry.
Okay, wait. Sheelam Gerhan Shilom ní smón ar dark cos le Ellen DeGeneres. Do you know the reach ní soige? Bleach blonde. Do you know the reach to Caherdig like?
I think we're looking at Roy going in that Killian. To be honest,
One Direction.
Ellen DeGeneres. Yeah.
I think there's any fair-ish. Like,
no, Tasha needs Doyle-ish. But some charm in that, you know?
No, but like, I think it was a crack needs fair-ish. Yeah. So, Tasha, come on. He's on radio going. Animation looks action with his
100% shift though. Imagine Salabo because I just go slow hands. Come on, like 100%.
Bitchin can cad victory bag thing is as me oh father I think that
It's fair Doyle her in Pogo on.
Okay, Tinoan.
Ní bhéin op Corsus le Coninch Mullingar to
Does our book though. Does our book.
Cad Daniela, Maura Higgins, Butcher
Okay, see Arish near Arc Mayor and Shrashad Love Island. So ní higam an Mania le Maura Higgins of Harvey.
Of all James, what does she go into the hell?
Oh, yeah.
Into the hell.
But it's as Longford.
It's as Longford.
I mean, sorry, just.
Leor, that's enough for me.
That cannot start Amsterdam, Longford, August.
Ní star my have, eh?
Well,
you can't get track the rash.
Ní chas mich le eindene. Ní chas mich as eindene as Longford. Le 23 years go my heel. And then, walk my shaka car in the Gallive, August, Hosman la 50 daoine as Longford.
Yeah.
Agus, let's just say, Nima's not bread to live herb. Níl star má amsló bach an so come to pass wrong.
Fair. Do you know what? It's a fatal flaw. Does he pass, but it's a fatal flaw. Shouldn't have with Eggy. A cad Daniela.
Pass.
Laura Whitmore.
Pig pass. I mean, an Éireannach Fuey.
An Éireannach Fuey. That's a hot take.
I mean, ní umprin si hen mar Éireannach imo hula. You know?
She gall and troll that like Terry Wogan is.
I mean, took she talking the arm hasna, so she's know she's out for me.
Very, very fair.
Big pass.
Shift.
Hard pass.
Oh, shift though, but
yeah. Meo, like, does she let Ian Sterling, so it gives hope go whole of funny man ever. So 100%.
Well, I mean, like how J bait this a grammar leg and
yeah. You know, not now.
Not now. Jeez.
No.
A cat lad Ella, Big Joe, Sleepy Joe.
Pog.
Ah,
yeah, Sleepy Joe. I mean, back degree to say took all the stas labby bean.
Yeah, but you made the guy Pog though. She wrote over home on different.
Poger aid and better.
Ach, wacht dan na focus at least you know shazam there.
Yeah, during Tasha Dulcinea Noel.
Yeah. Well, also, I mean, both to Dolomatlish and far is coactus at own. So I'd take her few, eh?
Yeah. Huckle at the road to be all green lads.
Yeah, exactly. Then you are Grandma Joe. Carry the cabbage. It's Joe Biden's Pog na pass.
Oh, ni Milo, Joe Biden.
Yeah, we got a couple fan on. Icon Ella as Aaron Bosco. Carry the cabbages. No, Pog.
And Quiven.
But did she go book though?
And
Sean
Quiven
Road though.
She didn't grow she riv Sogan Nero.
Yeah.
Well, the Quiven lumps of Bosco.
Virginia Harbaugh. Yeah. Harbaugh.
If he's socky as dust in Uganya, Nero Bosco Reogan.
If he just Jerry Ziggy Gazaga going like even if you like his chin.
Yeah, but she don't go Bosco like it's irritating. As we're into tugging she there 2FMA and you're like. Continue to shots flipping puppy do. It's a over there.
Need some though. I have a thing for redheads, so I think Pogumsa.
Yeah.
Pass.
It's a safe word, not Bosca.
See, turn shin and ick do so. Go
and Glorshin.
Yeah.
Or will to let ain thing English and Glorshin Saphir heel.
Yeah, because current she to Staharm.
Oh my God, Yanks, Gandart, absolutely.
It's not just roll up subcons.
So Bosco Pog na pass. Pog. Thing at Alahal Sasson. Graham Norton. Pog, yeah. It's good to that.
Sheelan Pog. Mealler.
Graham Norton to this whole.
Like Father Ted, you know?
Yeah, exactly. But there's just like. It's vibes my and Hammer fought. So what is fair that aimed on the late show hosts Ella like so what is fair.
I shouldn't have watched at the BBC though.
It's Shannon 5. Shannon 5.
Medini's fair going.
Yeah. Graham Norton bought.
I'd say Pogue just me all at a red chair. You know?
Oh yeah.
Role playing at a red chair.
James, that road to Hunave and Kyher Jarrett, Kane Scale at Enshaw.
Oh.
It's an Irid Shinega.
I know, should have fired Herman Cash Eric is not hard.
Kane Scale.
Definitely that can Kyher flip on Choku.
Oh yeah, BEO, yeah.
Yeah, I think more. To be honest, how much Gerard Kyher even though I'm crazy, my Gerard like yank in Kyher 100%. I'd say going airing on Tom Hosma Queen of curry cheese chips like an Erictus.
I mean, fairness, curry cheesy chips, Killarney is a whole other level. So
yeah, my curry cheese chips could come with corda, agus ni hang a cheese lash, like it's from really upset. So.
I thought you to say clean you. Sorry, I thought you to like properly.
Yeah, be my shachtainí cute. Ni my brother last.
As jury dinner be a hay nigger acted. Shouldn't bailiffs fair be no good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, Kevin Grumma actually very hot sound, but apparently not.
But clean you though, shouldn't? I don't know, man.
Hugh, be my really old, be my old. Be my emotional, okay?
It was simpler times.
Yeah.
So Graham Norton Pog no pass.
Pog.
Okay.
Game. Thing my pass. Thing again blas. Yeah. There's a grand rock. Graham Bach. Kat Daniela. What do you call her?
Jennifer Zamparelli.
Jenny Z. Really too much Sula go home on Krista. Pog no pass. Jennifer Zamparelli. I don't know.
Don't you know Ganarcum share Shan Ishan Psyche share Republic of Telly to make Eastert inspread for kind of Vox Pops. Like she go my hiction. Good luck she can do our because like she sort a magu heartlish na dini achila as a Kirkeshner who wear and stuff. Yeah. Like she intosh in a goni arcum or Fishan Psyche. So
I know.
Pog, definitely.
I'd say pass me all go an actor leha ho brutal and the ads chill insurance. Chill insurance ads brutal.
Yeah. I mean,
cringe-worthy.
Well, Neil going to file Oscar award-winning performance is the insurance, so Neil think if you're going to be like emotion, like Neil Liam Neeson kind of
but it's a book on it,
give it a bit of oomph, like. Jennifer Zamparelli, Phóg na pass. Pass. Think about it. Kat Daniela.
Eddie Lenihan. Phóg.
Okay. Oh, and Sonia, sorry.
Céad dó nach holisco cé Eddie Lenihan. Is léach ó chun é chláir. Scrín sé leortaí faoi na síoga.
Oh, yeah.
Agus credan sé go homlan antú. Is as an bailile céine lomsa cosín.
No.
Céad dó nar cúil se faoi.
No clue agam.
No.
Seo blas Áine sa fear-ish.
Bhí share Blind Boy podcast, bhí share Late Late Show, bhí share Tommy Tiernan Show.
Sure.
Tá lad seo ahananta.
Ní bhí mu cosí fairies, so...
Níl si cultúra a churbe.
I mean, it's me anyway, so caiid bheith curma leis na síl.
But ag an am céim na caiime pásra mi allar an Facebook sin.
I'd say yes, just me allar a Facebook. But a braid on today.
A braid on? I got a shot.
Braid on a Facebook, yeah.
Oh, because the gems see the Greg saying you're like a general Kieran Yanu leis.
Hukla me style, sort of makeover her though. Yeah.
Style. All right, and lad Shaw as Sinclair Phóg na pass.
Phóg.
Okay. And lad Jarna, and I think it was Shaw, but chance me just constable, but I think it's a no-brainer. Hugh D of your cool Phóg.
But character they hurt to rash.
Yes.
Hugh D.
Hugh D
Bug. Well, I mean, Shananya Mella, but need lower much for Hugh D Bug.
Yeah, need lower much for Hugh D Bug.
Ní higam catí where she drew la réiles. Bhí sé.
Ní higam na lum.
Ta gas.
Ik kwam er club an game. An game at Rivere.
Oh yeah.
We do like cast snowballs at Hugh D.
Yeah.
But
a game is sure ever invented at PC, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever. Shouldn't game is sure ever.
Remaster Hugh D that PlayStation 5 and Nish.
Veal Lachin Moscow like what really smart more like Veal Hugh D Moscow. Like what just at a laptop click. Cast snowballs.
I know.
100%
bully. Either a hen is bully and Virch is fair. Riú or coola cahar.
No, ní man an shift roll a bully me toss am a fair. Is as garún fair in on the glór leis agus tá
James.
Bully.
Yeah, agus ní hina voice as chorbit. Actually really husky real life. So I just imagine bully la husky voice as being like, no, that's not. It's not doing it for me. Like. No,
James, it's far schnackte a bully. Ní far fear, eh? Yeah. That'd be crazy.
Need to know Phóg a far schnackte.
A rose so good to go Hugh D like as in rank, I think, or like as middle, and it was like Hugo time of year, yeah.
Agus is Alan Essamon Sheila Madame Shea, agus ug se salig TG Dircello Usa. Oh no, sorry, Trevor Cloherty Badger.
Yeah,
Dime Shea ug se sale agus.
And
the rest,
and the rest is history. You know, the rest is there.
Some would ligny sauce stuff when it
I think, Kincha, ní féid lá cutie hair. Like you couldn't say no to him.
No.
Harvey.
No.
I heard you go, Hugh D Phóg na pass.
Oh.
Cape and Gate. Well, shouldn't that Phóg na pass anyway.
Hey.
Agus. Sheelam Gabation. Yeah, that will. No, yeah.
Neil
Amagwin, sorry, yeah. No, yeah. So we're back to Mossam. I heard you
scale mom, shouldn't we? Tomorrowland, but yeah, fuck man.
I'd be artist Lord like James. No, H Dish and Ked Agranella, the podcast.
I'm James and H was in Shusha Scale. Saucy Dave.
I heard you go, well, this part of the thing that Gash and Taffy Gurmina Moy is very Gash. Acklash and Lot Fagan, the Gurmina Moy is out of change in. Listen, Ked Lagan Bio, the Chancellor must. Well, ain't what that came with the rest of the gentlemen, the plugs. Shouldn't give a shit, eh? Yeah. Martin Gary, the Chancellor, I'm sure, and the man hosted Tesha, the Chancellor, or Twitter, and the Chancellor, or Instagram, and the Chancellor, or YouTube, because he got the Argoj Áine Ganta Echo, because you camera rugging and Amshaw. He got my Argoj Áine Ganta Echo. Ig Amon Chartella. Martin Gary, Áine, I'm sure, and the man hosted Tesha Moore, Áine Weir, or Instagram, Áine Weir, or Twitter, agus Áine Weir, or TikTok. Martin Gary, James, I'm sure, and the man hosted Tesha Moore, Fláilte, or Instagram, Fláilte, or Twitter, agus Fláilte, or TikTok. Agus Martin Gary, Mahane, I'm sure, Hugh Carr, I'm sure, and the man hosted Tesha, or Hugh Carr here, or Twitter, Hugh Carr here, or Instagram, agus Hugh Carr, or TikTok. Ain't Rodella?
Sinead, my condolence job I go.
Sinead, I heard you go. Gurmina Moy is up to bed like Mr Tayto. Slang.
Slang. Bon soltas der seachtainí.
Bon soltas EP.